Data types and variables in Python. Python has 7 data types, and they are numbers, also called as numerical data types. Numerical data type holds a numerical value. In numerical data type, there are 4 subtypes as well. Following are the subtypes of numerical data type. First, integers or int. We can start by giving a variable x the value x is equal to 5. We can find the data type of x by writing type of x, and there it says it's int. Next we have float. For the same variable x, we will give a new value in 5.0, and now let's see if the data type has changed. We write type of x, and yes, it says float. Next is complex numbers. Complex numbers has 2 parts, the real and the imaginary part. Real is in this case 10 and imaginary part is 5. Now we can see if x has changed its data type to complex by doing the same as before. Type of x, it gives the output as complex. The fourth subtype of numerical data type is Boolean, which says either true or false. We can give a value. We can give x the value x is equal to 5 greater than 4. We can see the result of this Boolean by printing x. It says true. Now let's find the data type. And yes, it says Boolean. Next is strings. Strings in Python are used to represent Unicode character values. Python does not have a character data type. A single character is also considered as a string. We denote or declare the string values inside single quotes or double quotes. To access the values in a string, we use the indexes and square brackets. Let's write a variable m is equal to Python. Now to access the characters in Python, I can write m and the square brackets 3. So it takes the third index, which is h, as output. Next is list. List is one of the 4 collection data types that we have in Python. When we are choosing a collection type, it is important to understand the functionality and limitations of the collection. Tuple, set, and dictionary are the other collection data types in Python. A list is ordered and changeable or mutable. Unlike strings, we can add duplicate values as well. To declare a list, we use the square brackets. My list is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now to access the string, we have to use the index. So I write my list 5 and it gives the value 6, which is correct. Next is tuples. A tuple is a collection that is unchangeable or immutable. It is ordered and the values can be accessed using the index value. A tuple can have duplicate values as well. To declare a tuple, we use the round brackets. So we write my tuple is equal to 10, 30, 20, 30, 40. We can access the values of tuple by writing the index. The next data type is sets. A set is a collection that is unordered. It does not have any indexes as well. To declare a set in Python, we use curly brackets. So you're write my set is equal to 14, 6, 7, 9, 8, 6 and 9. Now when I print the set, it will only show the distinct values. All the repeated values are omitted because a set does not have any duplicate values. Even though it will not show any errors while declaring the set, the output will always have only distinct values. Dictionary. A dictionary is like any other collection array in Python, but they have key value pairs. A dictionary is unordered and changeable. We use the keys to access the items from a dictionary. To declare a dictionary, we use the curly bracket. I have declared a dictionary, my dictionary, and the keys in this dictionary are 1, 2, and 3. And the values of these keys are apple, orange, and grapes, respectively. If I want to access a value of the dictionary, I have to use the key. So I write my dict 2 and I get the value orange. Next is range. Range is a data type which is mainly used when we are using a loop. Let's take an example to understand this. For x in range 10 and I print x. Range is a collection of values up to 10 and x will take values iteratively and print those values. And hence we get the numbers printed from 0 to 9. So those are all the data types and variables in Python.